Hi guys, thank you for joining me. I'm Gian. Now that the weather is cooling, slow cooker season is in full effect. I love oxtails and I love slow cooker oxtails. They are tender, falling off the bone, and I make them overnight so they are ready in the morning. The first step would be to season the oxtails, and I'm going to season it with salt, black pepper, and Creole seasoning. Now before you season it, be sure to trim all of the excess fat from around the oxtail and to wash it thoroughly. Oxtails are very fatty, so it's important that you trim as much as possible that you can, or else it's going to be really oily once it's cooked. Now I'm going to lightly cover the oxtail with flour, and this is going to help it to brown nicely. Now I'm going to stir it around, and you can use your hands to do this. I just want to make sure that every side of the oxtail is coated in flour. Next step is to brown the oxtail, and I'm going to do it in my slow cooker because my slow cooker also browns. But if you don't have a slow cooker that browns, you can do this on the stove and then transfer the meat into your slow cooker. Now I've placed some oil into the pot, and once that's hot, I'm going to add the meat, and I'm going to do this in 2 batches so that the oxtails don't crowd and they're going to brown nicely. Once one side is golden brown, we're going to flip it over and brown the other side. And now I'm cooking the second batch while the first batch sits on the side. Look how beautiful brown, and it has a nice golden crust. This is what you're looking for. And now that the second set is done, I'm going to add the first set of oxtails back into the pot with all of the juices, and then we're going to add all the ingredients. And I'm adding carrots, onion, ginger, garlic, Jamaican pimento, bay leaf, thyme, scallions, and pepper. I'm using Trinidadian pimento pepper, but you can use wiri pepper or Scotch bonnet pepper. Next, I'm going to add beef broth, tomato paste, and Worcester sauce. The full recipe will be linked below in the description box. And I do have another oxtail recipe that's cooked the traditional way on the cooktop, and I will link that below as well, so you guys be sure to check that out. Okay, so this is it. This is pretty much all the work you're going to do. Now I'm going to cover it, and I'm going to cook it on high for 8 hours. One of my favorite parts about slow cooking is just waking up in the morning and having that aroma greet you. It is the best thing. And also knowing that you don't have to cook lunch. And this is what it looks like after 7 hours. Now, the reason why I opened this at 7 hours is because I want to thicken the sauce using a cornstarch slurry. This is just a mixture of cornstarch and cold water, and we're going to add it back to the pot. Let it cook for an additional hour, and then you're done. And here's the final dish, and it was super simple to make. I like to serve this with rice and peas, and the link to that recipe will be below in the description box as well. Thank you for joining me, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. See you next time.